It's a nice day here on the avocado farm. Dean has arrived. This side of the suburbs.
Can I do more reps than that? Sounds good, doesn't it? It's literally a stock Windsor.
See, we don't want dust. And later on you'll see that dust has actually become a serious issue, even in our first and second track day. It's hard to see, it's hard to breathe. Dust means that the dirt is really dry, so we actually lose a lot of traction. And it means that we're going a fair bit slower.
That can still slide on the frame. Yes, it's clamped, then clamped on the frame. Yeah. So you've got fuel. Oh, sweet. Whose is that?
Alex's.
Oh, yeah. Hey man, how you going? Good man. Hey, what car are you in? Testing your belt. Oh, so you wouldn't want to? Would you drive it like Alex?
This is actually Mert's first lap of the track, and also the first time driving his car.
Probably a little bit too wet. Yeah, you can definitely see that it's a little bit too wet just here. We're gonna have to let the track dry out, I think. Oh! Ah, no!
Notice how the outside of the track is drying out.
I got ya. How is it, Dane?
Oh, it's wicked, dude.
Too wet or too slippery
It's
still?
perfect, dude. It's friggin' wicked.
Nice. How's the cart
That
running?
bottom end though, it's very easy to slide out.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
I've got like dirt tread, which is pretty cool.
You're doing well.
So one of the things that has already broken is Dane's carburetor mount has split, so we're getting a bad air leak, as you can hear.
You know what DK stands for?
Donkey Kong.
Drift King.
That's so sick. Wow. Look at the collection.
Drag the hose.
Let's go for one more attempt. And yeah, don't worry about it.
Wait, you.
Let's just appreciate this Daihatsu Terios. Rather than buying a side-by-side for the farm, Josh has modified a Daihatsu Terios. Cab chop, so it's got a tray, an irrigation tank in the back, flashing light and a LED light bar. It's all-wheel drive. It's got some relatively all-terrain sort of tyres. In the front, it's got a headlight delete to allow for a bigger battery, so he can run the pump. And this thing is a beast. It goes anywhere.
Remove driver's side door for easier access.
Yep, suspension's pretty mint.
Whisper quiet.
No door. That's on the rego that it has. That's allowed. Today, a lot of things went wrong, but a lot of things also went really right.
So it took a bit longer than we thought to get the pump working and like the track nice and wet, just because we had to fiddle around with changing pumps again. But once we got the fire pump on it, it was just mint.
Yeah, the electric pump really, it has enough flow, but it kept overheating, and we just have to always resort to using the petrol fire pump. So I think we've got a bit of working out to go there.
I think we need to maybe get a bit more pressure and wet it for a bit longer next time, just because the track dried out so quickly.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it's really dusty at the moment. We're all like, the camera's full of dust, our nostrils are full of dust, all of our holes are full of dust. It's like, honestly, if you just check out even the seats, like
They fill up, and when you stand up, a whole bunch of dirt falls out of your pants.
It's valuable dirt though.
It is, but it's very fertile.
All the carts went like pretty well. We got some stuff to work on, obviously, but yeah, they ran pretty good for the majority of the day.
Alex's cart is leaning out up the top, and it's actually backfiring through the air filter, which isn't ideal.
What happened? Josh's chain snapped.
Yeah,
I've got
your carby fell off.
my carby fell off again. I need to get a different sort of flange on it and just bolt it on instead of having a rubber boot that flaps around. But yeah, pretty successful day.
Yeah, lots of work ahead of us, but it's really exciting. So
yeah, keen for the next day. Rally rant over now.